drawer system that I built. I'll post the link based on the instructions I did. The only difference I did was I used 1x5s instead of 1x4s, and then 1x4s instead of the 1x3s in the instruction, just to give it a little bit more height. But you know, the drawers keep everything in here, from, you know, recovery tools on this side, and then just random stuff: bug spray, hammers, tire turners, wheel cleaner, decals, koozies, window screens for when it's muggy outside. Just random stuff. But I love it. It really keeps the clutter out from the house. The better half likes that too. So I've also used some turnbuckles to secure the back half. The front half actually uses the Wrangler net fittings. I got those secured in there. Just a random back pet guard that I bought off Amazon. Dog bed cone I bought at PetSmart.